biotechnology which use live organism or enzyme to manufacture different products which are useful to human beings. So the technology which use to produce different products, how it is used to make different products, and it is very used in human life in their day-to-day life. So how it is possible? By the help of this technology, we make different products. It is used in agriculture, medical field, as well as commercial field. So how it is used in agriculture? In agriculture, there are some genetically engineered plants which produce many yield, large amount of yield, and that plants can resist insects and pests. They produce large amount of yield. So it is used in agriculture. Next we can understand how it is used in medical field. It is used in medical field to produce. There are different medicines like antibiotics, vaccines. Not only that, as we know, there are some dreadful diseases like cancer, how it causes, which gene is responsible for this particular disease. And once we find what's the reason for the disease, immediately we can go for the treatment. What is the prevention of the disease? So because of this technology, there are many people, millions of people that saving their life in every day. That much important technology we can understand in biology. And not only that, it's used in IVF. It is used in DNA fingerprinting to find out culprits through biological parents. So like a interesting technology. Not only in medicine, it is used in commercial field to make different food products like beverages. So such a technology we are going to study today. It is called biotechnology. So the technology name is biotechnology. First of all, we can understand what's the word, meaning of the word biotechnology. So, we can divide the word into two, that is bio and technology. Bio means life and technology means advancement. So, advancement in life, that only we can say biotechnology. Let's see who introduced the term biotechnology. One of the Hungarian engineer, his name is Karl Erecki. Karl Erecki, 1917. He introduced at first the word biotechnology. So let us study one of the definition of biotechnology according to EFB. According to EFB, it means European Federation of Biotechnology. They have given one of the definition for biotechnology. What is that? See, you can understand here. It's an integration of science and organisms, cells, parts thereof, molecular analogues for products and service. That's the definition provided by EFB. Next, we can study what are the types of biotechnology. What are the different types of biotechnology? There are two different types of biotechnology. One is classical biotechnology. And second one we can understand modern biotechnology. So let us study one by one. First one is classical biotechnology. It's otherwise called traditional biotechnology. Traditional. And it means, see, we make different products in our home like curd, bread, cake, different products which we produce in our home for our purpose, small amounts by the help of living organism or microorganism. That's a part of biotechnology that we can say classical biotechnology. So another one, modern biotechnology. It's called mix match mechanism. So what's the meaning of this mix match mechanism? It means there are different useful products. Some of the useful products are responsible for some of the genes. So we have to isolate the gene and inserting into another organism so that we can make large amount of product. That only we can say modern biotechnology in large amount. It's called modern biotechnology. So these are the different types of biotechnology. Let us study what is the principles of biotechnology. Principles of biotechnology. There are two core principles of biotechnology. That is, first one we can say genetic engineering. Genetic engineering. And the second one is called bioprocess engineering. Second one is called bioprocess engineering. So there are two principles of biotechnology, genetic engineering and bioprocess engineering. Let's study one by one. What is genetic engineering? By the help of the word you can understand engineering with a gene. Engineering with a gene. As we know, what is engineering? The people, they produce different products by the help of gene. That only we can say genetic engineering. What is genetic engineering? The process it is used to alter the genetic material of an organism, that we can say DNA. As we know, DNA is a double helical structure, and the double helical structure is made up of polynucleotide. And polynucleotide, what is nucleotide? Nucleotide contain, there are three components, that is phosphate group, pentose sugar and nitrogenous base. So here you can see there are some nitrogenous base ATG, CC, ATG, A. So this sequence is the particular sequence responsible for particular trait. So here you can understand this part, this region is responsible for one of the traits. So if we isolate this part and insert into the another organism, so that that organism can produce that phenotypic expression. So one of the example I will tell you. The example here, jellyfish. Jellyfish has one of the trait, it can glow at night. So what we have to do? Particular gene we have to isolate, and the gene we have to insert into frog. So what will happen here? The frog can glow at night. That technique only we can understand here, genetic engineering. Next we can go with another process. It is called bioprocess engineering. It's used by using sterile microorganism. By the help of the sterile microorganism, we can produce different products like antibiotic, medicines, vaccines to produce in the large amount. And we have to use sterile microorganism, contamination free. Only using useful microorganism we can produce different products. That only we can say bioprocess engineering. And one more point here, genetic engineering first discovered by one of the scientists. His name is Berg. So what Berg has done, he isolated one of the gene, it is called SB40, and he inserted into the bacteriophage. So Berg is called father of genetic engineering. So here bioprocess engineering, by using useful microorganism we can produce different products. So it is called bioprocess engineering. Thank you.